Play with credit account in 1 minute. 1. About credit account. You will get a recycled credit account upon registration. The credit account, a replica, is the same as the cash account. At the credit account, you can also earn money by trading. 2. How to earn money via credit account. It is really easy to earn money via credit account. If the balance at the credit account is more than the total of received credit when a single cycle ends, profits can be withdrawn. For example, a client gets a total of $1,000 credit in a single cycle, and he or she increases the balance to $1,800 by trading when the cycle ends. In the end, he or she can withdraw $800, which is equal to $1,800 minus $1,000. Therefore, the more credit you get, the more money you will earn. 3. How to trade via credit account. Clients can click the button Trade in the section of My Account Credit USD to start trading via credit account. Trading at the credit account is largely consistent with that at the cash account. 4. How to get credit. Clients can get credit via a series of activities including deposit activity, trading activity, purchase activity, and giveaway activity. 5. The validity term of credit account. The validity term of credit account is a cycle. When a single cycle ends, the next new cycle begins. For example, if the cycle of credit account is 7 days, a new cycle will begin on the 8th day, the 15th day, and so on. Credit account itself is valid endlessly.